So I go in this establishment in what used to be the great state of Oregon, and they inform me that I have to put a mask on my ass to come in there. So I got my ass in gear and masked up. Meet Joe. Joe's old and slow. Been in the outfit way too long. And it might just be my imagination, but I don't think he's thinking straight anymore, and it's really time for the retirement home. This mule loves to eat watermelon. His initials are B.O. We call him Bo for short. Kind of messy. This little brown mule spent her whole life in a dark box stall. This little brown mule has spent her whole life in a dark box stall. Very seldom ever seen the light of day. Dumber than a box of rocks, with as much personality as a fence post. We call her Kate. No common sense whatsoever. It's sad. It's sad. This one we call Hillary. I'll let you figure out the rest. This guy stayed a stud or a horse colt a little too long, but he's cut now and everything's all right. We call him Slick Willie, or Bill for short. This old girl loves to fight with anybody in the herd, usually over stupid stuff that really doesn't matter. We call her Nancy. You know, mules' brains are kind of like people brains. They have to mature. And this little mule refused to be branded as a Republican. She's still in adolescence, and she'll come around one of these days. Either that or she'll be damned hungry. This mule is broke to ride, drive, and pack. Yes, sir, he does it all. He is smart, fearless, strong, dependable, never backs down, always charging up the hill. We call him Uncle Donnie. This guy is calm and honest, thinks things through, walks softly, but carries a hard-hitting kick when necessary. We call him Mike. You know, this whole coronavirus thing, with this mask and all this nonsense that the fake news is pushing down our throats, is just a bunch of asinine nonsense. Here at Nyssa Tractor, we will always be glad to see your smiling face and shake your hand and call you a friend. So turn off the fake news and turn on the music. Nyssa, Tractor and Implement Company, Nyssa, Oregon.